Last month, I moved back to Canada, and after quarantine, I redecorated my room, so here's a mini room tour. I have a lot of things, but I'm just going to show some of my most precious things. Here's my collection of 10 to 12 centimeter EXO dolls. I love them so much. Many things in my room are very special to me because they were given to me by friends or family, and I hold a lot of sentimental attachment to those things. So this is my shelf for just display. As you can see, I'm a huge SM fan. I've been following K-pop since 2006, and I've mainly been interested in SM artists. As you can see, I also love stuffed toys. I love Rirakuma. I studied in Japan, and my major is in East Asian language and culture, so I have a heavy interest in Japan and Korea and China, so you'll see a lot of things from there. As you can see, I have a lot of things, and there's kind of a mishmash of stuff. This charm I actually got at Meiji Shrine. It's supposed to help with your studies. I'm not sure if it worked. These two shelves here are kind of my overflow from my desk. I have my favorite washi tapes in this glass case thing that my uncle bought for me. And then I have drawers with message cards and stamps and clips. Lots of bunny themed ones, obviously. And I have extra pens, markers, pencils in the next. And in the last one, just kind of technical stuff. And the rest of my washi tape is actually in a box. This is where I keep my decorated Polaroids. I'm very proud of them. I love them. It's one of my favorite hobbies. It's really calming to just sit and stick stickers on things. So even if you're not very good at drawing like I am, then you can feel creative. This is a very special crane folded by a student of mine in Japan, and every Canadian will recognize this. I got this for my birthday from my dad. He actually got Sidney Crosby to sign it personally. This is my book collection. I've really taken it down a lot, and here are some special bookmarks. This wooden one is from the Hojoki, actually. It has a painting of it and an excerpt. This is a very famous Ukrainian figure that I've inherited from my family. This is a weaving that a student made me in Japan. I have 2 finished daruma, so my wishes did come true. This is a very special box to me. I got it on my first trip to Japan, and it holds a lot of sentimental things from my past. This is a rock that I picked up when I was climbing Mount Fuji. I thought it was really pretty. It has some gold flecks in it, and I love it. Please excuse my messy nails. This rock is also from Mount Fuji. It's a piece of volcanic rock. I like it. I went to the Studio Ghibli Museum, and when you go, they give you this as a ticket. You can hold it up to the light and see which movie it's from. It's 3 stills. These are very precious to me. It is jewelry that I got on a trip to Mexico at a consignment shop. The woman who runs the consignment shop actually gives the women who make these items fair pay. And I loved to support local. This is a very important knickknack to me. On my first trip to Japan, a sushi chef actually saw that I was feeling down, and he folded this crane for me out of my chopstick paper, and I've carried it with me ever since. This is a flag that was at the end of my pole when I climbed Mount Fuji. It has a little bell on the end. Now, my shelf of many things. I have my signed albums at the top, Suho and Baekhyun. My signed photo cards. I also have my ticket for Thailand concert here. I loved this concert and I love Thailand. In the back, you can actually see something that my friend made for me for my birthday. She's not even an EXO fan. This bracelet was made by one of my closest friends in Korea, and I love it so much. It's so beautiful. This is the same pen that Suho used to write a letter to EXO-L. Then this is kind of a messy area of my anime figures. I'm not really into anime, but I do like some anime. My small selection of Kirby's and some of my precious necklaces. That drawing was made for me by a student at the manga museum in Kyoto. And this is a drawing that my friend Hewon drew for me for my birthday. So here I have my photo books. I have many official ones, all of the official ones, magazines, fan-made photo books, musical books, my first fan sign page from Suho, and more dolls, bunnies, and EXOs. This is a very special pin to me. These are some leftover studying books that I thought I would keep just to keep my knowledge current, and some DVDs. Here is my album collection. And here is my bunny grid where I hold my special keychains and other important memorabilia to me. Many wonderful artists contribute to this grid, and I'll leave a list of some of them in the description. I love my artist friends. They're so talented and they're just amazing. This is the first EXO fan art that I ever purchased in my life, but I can't remember her name. Beautiful art though. And here's my desk. I've been trying to keep it clean and aesthetic. Here is my special Suho mug. Make today happy. I'm trying. And my Giyu figure. I spend a lot of time trying to decorate and make my space something that I look forward to seeing every day, especially because these days I spend all of my time in my room. I think it's very important to decorate your space and make it feel like home and make it feel like a place that you want to be, because your room is, it sounds corny, but your room is your sanctuary and you're going to be spending most of your time there. Here you can see the extent of my EXO sticker problem. I actually got rid of a lot of stickers when I moved back from Korea. There's more stickers and Polaroids in here. I really need to organize this part of my room. If you have any suggestions on how to organize post-its and things like this, please let me know, because frankly this is embarrassing to watch back. So that is my room. Thank you so much for letting me share it with you. I love to see other people's rooms as well, so if you have any video recommendations, let me know. Bye!